we are out in the streets of old Jaipur and we are exploring the street food right now. अभी हम लोग रबड़ी वाली जगह से निकल के आए हैं and we are walking towards this new another place. Let's go. And I'm already so full after puking 2 times. Now we are here at Kachori Wala. It's very famous and definitely should be on your list. I'm not going to try it because I've already puked like once. I don't want to do it again, but you should definitely check this place out because it's very famous. It's here, Kachori Wala. Hi guys, so I'm back in the car and I was not feeling well at all. I felt like I'll faint at any time, so they have sent me in the car and rest all of them are going to another restaurant, but I'll just go and sit there. I won't eat. I didn't eat here as well, but I feel really bad. Whenever I come on a trip, I always fall ill, but it's okay. I'm feeling better now after drinking a lot of water. I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for always being there. Love you. Guys, we are outside LMB shop, which is very famous for its sweets. यहाँ की 300 साल पुरानी शॉप है ये, and we are inside.
Made, built, and it was one of the first planned cities of India. 1727 is the year of starting of Jaipur. That's the foundation day of Jaipur. And when his highness over there, Jai Singh Ji, and after his name only Jaipur came. And he called from the catchment areas around 100 kilometers, every community, and propagated and wanted all the artisans and sellers, businessmen, professionals to come and have a space in Jaipur free of cost and make their livelihood. So we are basically from Tonk, but it's already almost 300 years. Our family is here, and since then we are in sweet mithai business, and we are traditional halwais from last so many 2.5 centuries, 3 centuries, and I'm the 13th generation. We've already got 14th generation.
So for myself, I have ordered a namkeen chhach because it's good for the stomach apparently, and I have already puked and I am not feeling well, so chhach is the way to go. The chhach that we always drink is very watery, but this is quite dense, which I like.
Yeah.
Huh?
नहीं.
It's very different types of milk.
हाँ.
It's very dense. It's not buttermilk. It's like dahi.
ऐसा लग रहा है रायता सर्व कर रहा है. हाँ. Very nice.
But I like raita soup. It's papad mangodi soup. Everyone is creating content and taking pictures. Different.
So लक्ष्मी मिष्ठान भंडार में पनीर घेवर के अलावा I tried केसर बादाम मिल्क एंड देन नमकीन ये छाछ जो कि बहुत थिक है. ऐसा लग रहा है पूरा रायता इसमें दिया हुआ है, विच इज़ बहुत टेस्टी फील हो रहा है. इतनी गर्मी में बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और ये है इनका इनोवेशन आइटम, इनकी इनोवेटिव आइटम है पापड़ मंगोड़ी सूप. तो कुछ खट्टा मीठा सा स्मेल तो ऐसे आ रही है जैसे बहुत खट्टा मीठा है. ट्राई करती हूँ.
How is it?
जैसे सब्ज़ी की ग्रेवी में और रसम का मिक्सचर, सब्ज़ी की ग्रेवी और रसम का मिक्सचर. अच्छा टेस्ट कर रहा है.
Sambar types?
नहीं, सांभर से अलग है.
Let's go on an adventure because it doesn't sound. हाँ. It also tastes something like दाल का पानी. है ना?
जल्दी करो नौटंकी फटाफट.
It's actually very very good.